Hello Libra, welcome to Brutally True Tarot, and this is a reading for this week of October. So let's check what are the messages for you in this week of October. Messages for Libra for this week of October. Death in reverse. Two of Cups. The Lovers. Six of Cups. It's a weird situation, Libra. You see, here we have Two of Cups and the Lover's cards side by side. So much of grudge and so much of love. It's a weird kind of situation. Possibly your relationship has taken a pause. It's not going anywhere further. You might not be in contact with each other. You might not be showing your true emotions to each other. There are disagreements, there are problems between both of you. You both have taken this issue as a question of ego. Okay? None of you wants to come forward and initiate a new relationship. Okay, none of you wants to sort this problem out because you think that asking for love or asking for explanation or giving explanation will be like surrendering to them. Okay, with this card of the Lovers, you cannot ignore each other no matter how hard you're trying, but you both cannot stop thinking about each other. You are literally thinking about them and they are literally thinking about you 24/7. You both want each other to take the first step, but none of you is taking here in this week, but you are continuously fantasizing about them. They are fantasizing about you. You just cannot think of anyone else except both of you. Okay, and with this Two of Cups, one moment you are lost in a romantic fantasy, in a romantic memory, and the very next moment you are thinking of revenge. Okay, you both want to teach each other a lesson. Lesson of what? Lesson of not repeating the things that happened in the past. And the best way for now, for both of you, is that you do not interact with each other. You both want to punish each other by not being there to talk to each other. I mean that you have left each other alone in the darkness, and both of you are expecting the other one to come forward and make a initiation. Okay, here we have this card of Six of Cups. With the Six of Cups, with the Six of Cups, it seems like this relationship has been from the past. This relationship has been a longer one than the usual you had in your life, and and you might have developed a deep connection with them, and you know that you won't be able to pay that much time to anyone else again. You won't be able to connect in this way to anyone else again. They also feel the same. You both are alone, and you are thinking about your past. You are thinking about the time you enjoyed together, and you just cannot think of anything else. But then again, after some time, you are thinking that they deserve to be punished. And what is their punishment? Your silence. You are thinking in that way. Their silence is your punishment, and your silence is their punishment. This kind of situation is going on between both of you. You can say that this is a kind of mind game. Let's check some more messages for you, Libra. The Magician. Ten of Wands. The High Priestess in reverse. Ace of Wands in reverse. Okay. With this card of the Magician, this person is trying to portray himself or herself as a different person than they were before. Okay? They are trying to hide their identity because they want to approach you. Their emotions are pushing them to approach you. They cannot resist you. Okay? But their egos are stopping them from doing that. So what could be the solution? The solution is to disguise themselves and to contact you. By that I mean that they might try to approach you through a different social media account, or they might use a friend's or family member's account to talk to you, where you cannot identify them directly, but they will be able to contact you, they will be able to talk to you, and somehow they will get the peace of their mind by doing such things, silly things they are doing. Okay? With this 10 of Wands, it seems like everything is being too much for both of you. You people are frustrated by this unending silence. You people want to break the ice, but you are unwilling to do that because you people have big egos and your minds are stopping you from doing that. With the High Priestess in reverse, no matter how much this person will try to hide themselves or to disguise themselves, with this High Priestess in reverse, everything is going to come out. They'll make a mistake and they'll be caught. Okay? And they'll be quite embarrassed by this situation. They'll feel embarrassed, and it will be embarrassing as if you have caught them stealing something. And what they're stealing some of your time. Okay? Your silence was literally killing them, and they had to do something to gain their peace back. Okay? To gain their hope back, and they're doing these silly things and they'll be caught. With this Ace of Wands in reverse, you both seem to be so stubborn. You don't want to start anything new. Okay? This person doesn't want to come and apologize directly to you and to start a new relationship. You don't want to do the same. And you don't want anyone else. They don't want anyone else here. You both are stubborn. You are stuck and you are standing still for now. It's a time for mind game. It seems like for both of you, and you're enjoying it. Okay? So let's take some of the oracle messages for you, Libra. Messages for Libra for this week of October. Mother Mary, love and peace. Let go of the need to be right. Choose peace. Mother healing is possible at this time. So Mother Mary is telling you to let go of the need to be right. Just stop thinking about what went wrong, who did wrong, and who needs to come first. If you feel this connection is unbreakable, you are soulmate, let go of the things that happened in the past. Forgive this person. They will forgive you and you can have each other. Okay? And that is important because your peace depends upon having this relationship. You people are restless after losing this relationship. Mother healing is possible at this time, and you'll see that gradually everything will be healed. You'll feel fine again. You both will be comfortable again with each other. So this was the reading for this week of October. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.